Treat knee pain with home remedies. If you have mild to moderate knee pain, you can usually treat it yourself. There are numerous strategies to treat pain caused by a sprain or arthritis. Pain caused by inflammation, arthritis, or a minor injury usually goes away on its own. Home remedies will help you feel better and manage your symptoms. 1. Rice can help with strains and sprains. If you've twisted your leg, fallen, or otherwise strained or injured your knee, remember the term rice, rest, ice, compression, and elevation. Get off your feet and place a cold compress or ice pack on your knee. Wrap a compression bandage across your knee to reduce swelling, but not so tightly that it cuts off circulation. Keep your foot raised while resting. 2. Tai Chi. Tai Chi is a mind-body practice that enhances balance and flexibility. Tai Chi is extremely good for persons who suffer from osteoarthritis. Tai Chi can aid with pain relief and range of motion. Deep breathing and relaxation are also part of the process. These elements may also aid in the reduction of stress and the management of chronic pain. 3. Exercise. Exercise on a daily basis might help you retain muscular strength and mobility. It's a must-have for treating osteoarthritis and other types of knee discomfort. Resting or restricting mobility in the leg may help you avoid discomfort, but it can also harden the joint and impede healing. Low-impact sports, such as cycling, walking, swimming, or yoga, are all suitable choices. 4. Weight management. Obesity and being overweight can place additional strain on your knee joints. A weight increase of 10 pounds can add between 15 and 50 pounds of strain on your knees. 5. Heat and cold therapy. While resting your knee, a heating pad can reduce discomfort, while cold treatment can help reduce inflammation. It's best to alternate between heat and cold treatment. You can apply a heating pad for up to 20 minutes at a time. Apply cold pads for 20 minutes 4 to 8 times a day for the first 2 days following an injury. In the morning, a warm shower or bath may help to relax tight joints. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.